a judge dismissing cases against former FBI Director James Comey and Letitia James, the former New York Attorney General. Our national reporter Miles Miller is here now with more. So what do we need to know?
Yeah, the judge basically found Lindsay Halligan, the appointed U.S. attorney in Eastern District of Virginia, was improperly appointed. And because she was, the judge says, improperly appointed, all these cases that she brought were improperly brought. Now, this case was dismissed without prejudice, which means that charges could technically be refiled by a lawfully appointed prosecutor, say the first assistant or another one in the office. It's important to note that there was a prosecutor who was properly appointed to this role, but decided he did not want to take the case and so resigned. But the Trump administration says they fired him. It'll be interesting to see if they find a prosecutor in this office that thinks that either of these two cases can go to trial, and if they'll bring it, or if someone will be forced to do that.
Is this a surprise for the Trump administration?
It's not a surprise because we heard both from both legal teams that this is something that they wanted to pursue because they felt that Lindsay Halligan was improperly appointed. However, what you've seen is big pushback, and so I imagine that in both of these cases they'll be pushing forward for these charges to stand by these charges being refiled. But when it really comes down to it, they'll have to make the case, will they have to go back to a grand jury and do this in the proper way?